Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix PS5 overheating issue. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. On the PS5 home screen, navigate to Settings cogwheel icon and select it. In the settings, switch to Users and Accounts, Other, and then on the right side, select Restore Licenses. Here check all the games and apps and then select Restore. Once done, you will see the confirmation. Now go back to main settings and then switch to System. Here switch to HDMI. On the right side, turn off all three options, that is enable power off link, enable one touch play and enable HDMI device link. After that switch to power saving and then on the right side select set time until PS5 enter rest mode. For both during media playback and while playing games, using the drop down set it to don't put in the rest mode. After that head back to main settings and select save data and game app settings and then switch to game presets. On the right side select performance mode or resolution mode and using the drop down select performance mode. Now come back to PS5 home screen and restart your console, and this should fix the PS5 overheating issue. Don't forget to comment if this video helped you. Thanks for watching.